필리핀. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, thank you so much.
From Kim Soo-yeon to Joo Ji-hoon.
네, 반갑습니다.
Pero sa knock-off.
Si AC.
Gusto ko yung other side talaga.
Hindi naman mamaya. Talagang kagaw buhay.
Team walking tayo. We are here! Art Science Museum.
Yes, this is it. Okay. How many more coming so na?
I'm so excited! Guys, we're here at the knock-off fan meeting. And excited na tayo.
Or anyone wants to go to the toilet, go now because later you cannot na. Okay. 2 o'clock.
Girl, nakadalawang toilet ka na. Parang pinilit ka, girl. Mga tao na dito.
Like, masaya naman ako, pero yun lang talaga yung
Grabe guys, ito. Kita na namin siya. Parang need ulit sumiar.
O hindi na, napiga na talaga siya.
Minutes na lang? Ano oras pa siya dadating?
Is talaga na maaga tayo.
Grabe, front row seats talaga kami guys. See? Isa lang, tapos sila na.
Ako yung ano,
Sabi nila,
yung
ano,
staff ni Judy.
pwede daw mag-ingay dito pag dumating na yung mga artista.
andito na sila.
Eh, syempre, representing Philippines, dapat maingay tayo. Kasi alam niyo, mga ibang countries hindi masyadong. Ganun sa Korea eh. Hindi ganun kaingay yung mga fans. Very respectful yung mga
Oo,
fans.
dalawang beses na ako naka-attend ng fan meet sa Korea. Ang super tahimik talaga nila.
Very demure.
Tayo ng Pinoy, pag may pinapakitang video,
Tayo, hindi tayo demure.
true, hindi demure. Mamaya makikita niyo po ang example ng hindi demure.
Baka nandun na si Ato.
Mamaya inaano na ako ng guard.
Mamaya wala na siya dito.
Mamaya hinahatak na ako ng guard. Hindi!
This show is dramatic, dangerous, and it's one for lovers for crime and the action genre. And at the back, if you're ready, this is the moment. Are you guys excited? Do you think you're ready? Is everyone ready for the film? Yeah. I don't see.
Ate ko dalawang phone.
Talaga tayo. Manalaban talaga tayo.
Ikaw yun.
Guys, kanina pa ako
When they
naka-ready.
come in, soon. The knockoff fan meeting and the cast of the knockoff, Kim Soo-yeon and Jo Bo-won.
Oh my God!
Philippines. Hong Kong. Feel right now, 지금 기분 어떠세요?
이거 이어가야 되는 거죠? 분위기를 보고. 예, 기분 좋아요?
Right now I feel 와주셔서 너무 감사하고요. 저희 홍보하러 온 너구프도 많은 사랑 부탁드리겠습니다. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. For the knockoff in 2025.
겸손하죠?
Because we're gonna play a game to really. So we're gonna figure it out if you're actually 10 out of 10 or 2 out of 10. If you can get at least one, 하나만 맞추시면 좋은.
다 틀려도 되겠네요?
Yeah, actually.
겸손하죠?
Right?
그러면 이걸 다 맞췄을 경우에 어떤?
We don't have a gift, but we have love. 사랑을 드릴게요.
박수를 받겠습니다.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Which one do you think is real? You cannot touch.
만지지만 하면 되나요?
Yeah,
눈으로만?
only with the eyes? Yes. 눈으로만 봐주세요.
그러면
오케이. 네, it's attached. 네, 붙어 있습니다. 이건 네, this is real. 이건 진짜 뭔가요? 이렇게 뭐로 만들어진 것 같아요? Which one do you think is made of?
케이크.
케이크. 뭔 것 같아요? What do you think this is? Let's figure out what this is. Sand? 뭐래요? Do you smell? 냄새가 나나요? No. There's no. Plastic? What do you think? Is it like a cake? Oh. Yeah, this is real. Yes, this is real. So let's figure out.
Basketball.
Oh, he said this is real.
이게 진짜였어요.
This was real.
Oh.
Oh, it's too small. Yeah, thank you so much. Whoa. Okay, so they got all 4 correct. Please give them a round.
너무 이뻐요.
Yahabol namin si Joo Ji-hoon.
May make-up pa.
From Kim Soo-yeon to Joo Ji-hoon.
Tama ba? Dito yung entrance.
Sobrang fan siya ni Joo Ji-hoon.
Yes. Pirated Days pa lang, guys. Yung copy ko ng Princess Ars pirated pa.
Buti na lang.
Sana wag po i-take down ni YouTube. Charis.
Buti na lang meron na tayong Disney Plus. Ano, isa pang takbo? Kaya pa?
Kaya pa, guys.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go.
Naiiyak na. Kaputi! Pero pahinga mo tayo.
Ano, takbo rin ba tayo sa escalator?
Habang nagpapahinga, maglakad tayo.
Wow, the dedication was real. I wanna see Park Bo-young so much. Sorry. Dun. Pwede ba pumasok? Ay, go! Last push, last push. Can we go in?
Thank you.
Ay, thank you. Ay, tama ba? May main open. Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
네, 모임을 반갑습니다. 감사합니다. 네, 그러면 저희 카메라 오른쪽 카메라부터 시작하겠습니다. Let's start with the cameras on your right.
했습니다. 사실 무대는 수능료라는 것도 마찬가지로 장르목이지만
So we are excited to give a brief introduction.
嬉しいですし、こうやって素敵なブルーカーペット歩けたのもすごく大興奮しました。
The most exciting thing was that he was able to walk. Kim Hae-soo, Mr. Chung Sung-il, and Director Yoon Sung-go.
장난 아니다.
Oh, thanks for coming. We're so happy to see you.
아직 안 했어요.
만요, guys. Whoa.
제가 맡은 김성준은 평범한 회사원에서
해주셨으면 좋겠어요. 감사합니다. I didn't know. It's all washed away. Everything was worth it. Thank you so much. Woo! So we got cake 준비했습니다. We prepared a cake for you. Oh, so beautiful. Cake. All right. So where's our photographer? 생일 축하합니다.
사랑하는 선배님
배우님 생일 축하합니다. Regardless of where you're from, which culture, which country, your like religion, whatever that is, it could be the love, it could be the like a relationship between the parents and kids. So it doesn't matter where you're from, you will feel it, it will be into you. So that was the part you will look forward to it. Thank you.
Members of the press,
pagod na siya.
Ilaw na kaya. Nakatayo. Pero kaya ko pa kasi ginanon ako ni Juji.
From your left side. From your left
Na-recharge.
side.
Cutie. We're gonna have dinner.
Nag-contacts ka na lang.
Dinner pero breakfast yung yun.
Bola. I can't have it.
Since its release in 2023, Moving has become one of the best on Moving Season 2 with
더 궁금해지는데요. 또 연결고리이신 또 김혜영 감독님의 말씀도 들어봤습니다. 네, 오늘 랩을 함께 해주셔서 정말 감사드립니다. Thank you all for coming out today. Everyone, let's hear it for the cast.
지지야! 맛있다! 오케이, 가나? 오케이! Yes!
Dapat pala nagsabay na lang tayo sa isa. Oh.
This is so overwhelming.
Mukha siyang ano, thesis exhibit na ano ako na trauma.
Ay, ganito ba thesis exhibit?
Oo. Tapos may model sa baba. Oh, maybe these are the ones na it exists na in the market. Ah, oo nga. Oo nga. Ito na yung mga binibenta. Nakita ko to eh. Look at all these Christmas trees.
Uy, Makati. Para talagang Makati.
Paano tayo naglalakad sa Manila Bay? Hoy, yan nga yung Apple Store! Yung bilog. Why am I saying bilog like that?
Sounds like yellow. Tumiss ko na si Yel. Yel ako ng Yel.
Oo nga. Kanina ka pa.
Siyempre, pag 3 little pigs, kulang isa. Miss.
Yung tatlo. Tinamay mo pa si Yel. May tilapia rin ba dito?
Saan ka umihinto? Wala naman maganda.
Naghanap ako tilapia.
Hindi ba dapat ikaw yung mas magaling? Sige na!
We are here. Oh my god, this angle is very trippy.
Ako, nahihilo ako.
Ako din. Oh wow! Ah, ito pala yung nasa loob. Ito yung nasa loob.
Ito yung sa kahapon.
Oo.
Na-prank tayo,
Kanina pa siya inaantay ni ate.
You're exposing me!
Oh, 이거 진짜 잘 어울린다.
진짜? Mabubudol na naman talaga.
Hi guys. Kakagising ko lang. And nakatulog kasi ako. Nag-take ako ng Advil tsaka BioFlu for my period pain. Kumain ako, nag-ayos ng konti while eating, and then kasi I'm still having period cramps. I don't think I'm gonna finish that. Anyway, I think we can go down now. I don't know if andun na rin si Kuya Jinho, but maybe we can visit his room. Tapos wala pala, no? Tapos mali pala. Oh! 오빠 맞네? 맥주 반잔 마시고 좀 괜찮아졌어.
Huh?
Period cramps.
Oh,
help
that's
with
good, but
맥주.
is it okay with like BioFlu?
I don't know that one.
Oh my god.
Opas bag ring. Pwede magnakaw.
Bago ata
Ito.
lahat. They look gorgeous.
Bakit puro bago yung mga makeup mo? 오빠도 원래 이렇게 생긴 거야?
Tingnan mo ilong mo. Nawawala yung shine.
아,
May minura pa si ano.
Ang
Kapalaan Curtis.
Ang galing!
Do you know why everything seemed new? The last time I was so busy na
because I rarely ubos my makeup, so everything was expired. So I had to
rebuy
everything when I'm on.
Nakababa ka na pala!
Nakakala ko kasi nandito ka na.
From the Philippines. Sabi ko, tapos parang pinapractice na nila habang pauwi. Tama ba? Tapos nirecord pa niya yung sarili niya.
Nirecord niya na, pinapakinggan niya. Kaya sabi ng mga Korean, nung tatlong Korean, yung director, tsaka yung girl and yung boy na Korean leads.
Sabi ko, ha? I don't speak Korean. Gano'n siya, oh!
Paano na lang?
Mukha bang alam ko yung daan? Mukha. Kasi kamukha mo yung ikaw yun eh. Nasa CR ako. It's already 12:20. Let's all go home. Usually kasi I'm very kaba with this kind of social events. Pero this one I had very much fun.
Sino yung super fully paid?
Sino Gen Z?
Mag-inom na lang tayo sa Manila.
Sinong fully paid yung ano?
Si Poy, si ano, si
pinaka...
2.5 daw.
Picture eh.
I'm all packed. Hala. Mag-check out na ako. Bye, Singapore. Cheers! Bye lang dito sa hotel room. Mamayang gabi pa po kami aalis. So, I'm just gonna buy some pasalubongs lang for my parents. So, let's go. Ay, papabili na ako ng sobrang dami. Say bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Nagulat ako. Pinabay ko sila. Ako na pang